Hiya, welcome back to our channel. Take a mum break. Today we are going to cook a super fast lunch for my siblings. That is fried rice. 粟米肉碎炒飯。When you're cooking fried rice, you don't always have to put the ingredients that I put in it. You could put sausage, tomato, carrot, basically any ingredients that you want, but no sweets. Alright, it's time to eat. 開飯啦! We love it so much, as you can see. My little brothers and sister eat it more than usual. This fried rice recipe tastes just like your favorite restaurant, but is even better. If you love fried rice as much as I do, don't wait. Try to cook it tonight. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.